everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today I will show you how to set up your online shopping cart. Online shopping cart allows you to protect your time with last-minute cancellation and no-show fees. Keep in mind that you will need to be signed up for credit card processing to use this feature. On your mobile device, we will start from the calendar screen. On the bottom right, we will want to click More and tap into Settings. We'll want to scroll down to the Things We Sell category and tap into Online Shopping Cart. Next, we will click to activate the feature. Online Shopping Cart will be an additional $10 a month to enable. Now we could begin setting up our cart options. You will select your desired merchant for deposits. Below this, we could select if we want to sell services online without booking. This will allow customers to purchase a service in full, then book at a later date. Next, we will see deposit and capture credit card options. We'll start with deposits. You can require a certain percentage or a flat dollar amount. You can also set criteria on what value of service this deposit is required for, whether it's services over $100 or just a single dollar. You will see optional fields for in-house requirements and the types of clients that this is required for. Whether it's older new clients or even those who are mobile-based services, or even after a certain amount of no-shows and cancellations, you could select any variation that you would like. The same can be selected for credit card capture. You could require a value amount for services to prompt the feature, and set a no-show fee for a flat dollar amount or percentage. You will also be prompted to set a cutoff time frame for giving notice for cancellations without incurring a fee. Lastly, you will see the same fields for customer requirement. This can be done for both appointments and classes. Below, we could sell packages, memberships, and gift cards through our booking page. You could select which package will be displayed in the main settings for each. For packages, you can even select an expiration date. For selling gift cards online, customers can purchase a cash value, or we can also sell based on those services. For example, a gift card specifically for a haircut. Or if we have employees with their own merchant account, we can opt for funds to be deposited directly to them. Below this, we can manage product sales and shipping methods. You can choose a desired partner or even set curbside or in-store pickup. This allows you to select specific days for appointment pickup and times. Based on your shipping, you can opt to charge the most expensive shipping to be charged for multiple items. For example, a shampoo being sold with a $10 shipping fee and a hair mask with a $5 shipping fee. When this is enabled, if a customer purchases both of these items, the $10 shipping fee will cover the cost of both. Finally, we can manage a refund policy for purchased products, gift cards, packages, and memberships. Then a purchase confirmation for shopping with your business. Once done, we could click Save to complete the setup. With the online shopping cart, you could keep your business open 24/7. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.